Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the most captivating ideas and books from around the world. Today we're diving into Business Model Generation by Alexander Osterwalder and Yves Pigneur. This book is a game changer for entrepreneurs and business leaders, offering valuable insights and practical tools to help you innovate and optimize your business model. Let's explore the 7 key takeaways from this amazing book. Takeaway number 1, the Business Model Canvas. One of the main tools introduced in the book is the Business Model Canvas, a visual template that helps you map out, understand, and design your business model. It consists of 9 building blocks: customer segments, value propositions, channels, customer relationships, revenue streams, key resources, key activities, key partnerships, and cost structure. By using this canvas, you can identify areas of improvement, brainstorm new strategies, and communicate your ideas effectively with your team. Takeaway number 2, customer segments and value propositions. A crucial aspect of any successful business model is understanding your customer segments and creating tailored value propositions for each. Customer segments are the different groups of people or organizations you aim to serve. By identifying their needs, wants, and preferences, you can craft value propositions that resonate with them. The book emphasizes the importance of focusing on what makes your product or service unique and valuable to your customers. Takeaway number 3, channels and customer relationships. Channels are the means by which your company delivers value propositions to your customers. They include direct channels like your website or store and indirect channels like partner stores or online marketplaces. The book encourages you to consider the most efficient and effective channels for reaching your target audience. Customer relationships refer to how you interact with and maintain connections with your customers. Finding the right balance between personal touch and automation is essential for retaining customers and driving growth. Takeaway number 4, revenue streams and cost structure. Your business model should clearly outline your revenue streams, the ways you generate income, and your cost structure, the expenses you incur while operating. By understanding these components, you can make informed decisions about pricing, sales strategies, and resource allocation. The book encourages you to think creatively and identify new revenue streams and ways to optimize your cost structure for maximum profitability. Takeaway number 5, key resources, activities, and partnerships. Every business model relies on key resources, activities, and partnerships. Key resources are the assets you need to create value, such as physical, intellectual, human, and financial resources. Key activities are the most important things your company does to deliver its value proposition. Key partnerships are the network of suppliers, collaborators, and stakeholders that help your business function. The book emphasizes the importance of leveraging these elements strategically to gain a competitive advantage. Takeaway number 6, iterative process and prototyping. Business model generation encourages an iterative approach to business model design. This means constantly testing, refining, and adapting your model based on feedback and new insights. The book introduces several prototyping techniques to help you experiment with different ideas and find the most effective solutions for your business. Embracing an iterative mindset can lead to continuous improvement and innovation. Takeaway number 7, business model innovation. Finally, the book highlights the importance of business model innovation. In today's rapidly changing business landscape, companies that are able to adapt and reinvent themselves have a significant advantage over those that remain stagnant. By embracing new technologies, identifying emerging trends, and staying open to change, you can ensure your business remains relevant and competitive in the long run. So there you have it. Those are the 7 key takeaways from Business Model Generation by Alexander Osterwalder and Yves Pigneur. By utilizing the business model canvas, focusing on your customers, optimizing your revenue streams and cost structure, leveraging key resources, activities, and partnerships, embracing an iterative process, and fostering business model innovation, you can create a robust and adaptable business model. Remember, the key to success lies in constant learning and adaptation. Thank you so much for joining us today, and as always, keep learning, stay curious, and until next time, happy reading.